Hi and welcome back. So a tag is the basis of HTML. It is a special word placed in angle brackets. There are many different tags. In the right part of the screen, you can see examples of some of them, including HTML, body, head, and others. Absolutely all web pages have the same structure, and this structure in some respects can be compared to a human being. Each page starts with a special entry, doctype HTML. This entry indicates that this page is written in HTML5. After doctype HTML, the upper and lower HTML tags always go in pairs. The first one is called a start tag. The second one, with a slash, is an end tag. A tag that's paired with an end tag is called a pair tag. Regarding the HTML tag, the first one indicates the top of the page, and the second one is for the end of the page. Why did I say that a web page is similar to a human being? Because all pages have the same structure as a human being, head and body. That is, there is a head and a body tag. Please note that both of these tags are paired. Why do we need these two tags? The body contains everything displayed directly on the page. Everything you can see, pictures, text, tables, and so on. The head tag contains everything that's not displayed on the web page, but that's important for describing the page. What does that mean? For example, there's a tag called title. It has to be written in the head tag. So then, what is a title? Consider the following example. Let's open some websites, for example apple.com. In the browser, the web pages are shown in tabs, and each tab has some text. In our example, it's Apple. Well, that's the title. Let's also go to the website ebay.com. As you can see in this example, electronics, cars, fashion is the text of the title. For our task, the text of the title will be My Page. We also need to write another tag in the head element, meta_char_set UTF-8. For now, I'm not going to give a lot of details on what meta_char_set UTF-8 is. Later on, in the HTML part of this course, there will be a separate video lesson on encoding where we will explain what UTF-8 is. For now, all you need to know is that you need to write this tag in the head tag. The head element is followed by the body, which contains everything we can see on the page. Let's, for example, open Apple's website again and make sure that the website structure matches what we described earlier. In order to be able to look at the HTML code of this page, we need to right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Structure. If you're using a Mac, you can do this by hitting Command-Alt-U. Right now, we only want to look at the general structure without going deep into the HTML code. Earlier on, I told you that at the beginning of each page, you need to write doctype HTML. Let's try to find that. We can see that it's literally the first line of code. Let's continue. Next, we need the HTML tag, which is supposed to be closed at the end of the page. Let's check it. Right, we can see that it's literally the second line of code. If we go to the end of the page, we can see that it ends with the HTML end tag. As mentioned before, the head tag is supposed to be followed by the body tag. Let's take a look. Head is written in the third line, which closes right here. And here's the body tag, which closes before the HTML end tag. The head tag contains technical information, but we just want to find the title. Here's our title, Apple, which is displayed in the tab. And here also is meta_char_set UTF-8. So as you see, the structure is completely the same. And that is Webpage Structure. In our next lesson, we will put this knowledge into practice. That's it for this video. See you later.